Hey guys, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to another video tutorial on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in today's video we'll discuss how to create filters in your report. So friends, as you know, we can find out the material listing, that is the quantity of concrete and quantity of reinforcement of any particular building in Tekla Structural Designer. Now, in today's video, we'll find out how to find out the quantity or the material listing of a particular level. Suppose you have a 3-storied building and you want to find out the materials used in the second floor. So how do you do that? So let's just find out. We'll just share our screen, and here you see. As you can see, this is a 3-storied building, and now I want to find out the materials used in this particular floor. So how will I do that? As you can see, this is the structure 2. So first of all, let's go to the report and generate a normal report. I'll just select material listing from here, and then I'll click on show report. So as you can see, the report has been shown. We have the concrete columns, slabs, mat, pad bases. If I just click on the next page, and I'll just jump on to the last page. As you can see, the total quantity of concrete used here is 83.5 meter cube or cubic meter, and the reinforcement used here with 10% allowance is 9.19 tons. So this is the total material report. Now if I want to apply some filters, so what should I do? So I can go to my levels, and after we have gone to the levels, we can just create a filter here. So I want the amount of materials in this particular level, that is the second floor, and I'll just click on OK. And after that, what will I do is I'll just click on model report, and after that, in the material listing, I'll just right click on model filter. I'll click on the name of the levels which I have created. I had named it as selected levels. So I'll just select this and then click on OK. So after that, as you can see, we have here, as you can see, the total, just jump on the last page, the total quantity of concrete used in this particular level is the 18.9 meter cube, and total reinforcement used here is 1.88 tons. So as you can see, this process is very easy. If you want to find out the report of a particular level, you have to go to the model report first, and then you have to select the type of the report you want and apply the proper filter. Suppose I have named this as selected levels, and I want to find out, suppose let's say we want to find out anything else, we can also do that. We'll go to the model report. Suppose we want to find the building loading or beam and forces of a particular level. We have these beams, and we'll just apply our filter here, model filter, selected levels, and then OK. And here also I can find out the beam and forces of a particular level. So the process is simple. You just have to jump onto this filters page, and then you have to create your filtered levels, and you have to go to the model report, and anything you select. Suppose let's say material listing, we have to select material listing from here. You have to select material listing and then right click on it and apply the model filter. The structure is the whole structure, and you can apply the selected model filter. So like this, we can find out the total quantity of concrete and total quantity of reinforcement in a particular level. So guys, how did you find this video? Please comment and let us know. And as you know, Civil Center is an authorized training center of Tekla. So if you want to get trained from us, you can contact us in the number given in the description below, and you can also register for your training using the Google form link. So see you guys. Bye bye.